for the right vehicle? Check out 2016 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, compass, fog lights, trip computer, tachometer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, Sirius satellite radio, brake assist, overhead console, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.